Good morning, grade twos. Today is Tuesday, and it's going to be our first math lesson this week because yesterday was a holiday, so you didn't have any schoolwork at home for yesterday for Monday. So today is Tuesday, and we're going to jump right back into time. So I have given you two clocks. Let me hold them up. And you're going to need both of them today, okay? So press pause if you need to. I want you to get both of your clocks, okay? Now, this is going to be the first clock that we're going to use, and I would like us to set this time to 2:10. Can you set your clock to 2:10? Okay, so I will set my clock to 2:10. So the little hand's at the 2, and the big hand is at the 2. That is 2:10. The little hand's at the 2 for the hour 2, and the big hand is at the 2 for 10, because 5:10. So we have 2:10. Now, if you need a few more minutes to get 2:10, press pause. Then on our smaller clocks, I want us to get, on the other clock, I want us to get to 2:35. Can you set this one to 2:35? So our little hand does the hour 2, and then we go to 35. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, so you should have two clocks, 2:10 and 2:35. What we are going to do is see how much time passes to go from 2:10. How many minutes does it take to get to 2:35? We want our clock to look like this. Okay, so I'm going to hold this one up here. So let's start by moving. You're going to move the one with the blue and the red. You're going to move this one to get to 2:35. So let's start, and we count by fives, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Do they look the same now? How many minutes passed from 2:10 to get all the way down to 2:35? How many minutes? Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. 25 minutes passed to get from 2:10 to 2:35. Okay, the next one that we're going to do is I would like you to set this clock to 4 o'clock, please. Can you set this one to 4? So the little hand is at the 4, and the big hand, the minute hand, is at the top for o'clock. 4 o'clock. Then I would like you to set your other one to 6 o'clock. So the little hand is the hour hand. It goes to the 6, and the big hand comes up to the 12. So we have 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock. Okay, press pause if you need to. So I'm going to get my big one here ready for 4 o'clock. Okay. So you're going to use this one, and we're going to move it around to see how much time it takes to get from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So we're going to go around here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We went all the way around. And 60 is 1 hour. So we've gone 1 hour and we're at 5 o'clock. Let's do it again. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We went around another time, which is another hour. So how many hours, or how many times all the way around did we go to get from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock? We went around 2 times. So if we go all the way around 2 times, that is 2 hours. Exactly. That is 2 hours that we have gone around. Okay, now we are going to go to a movie that starts at 2:30. So can you get your clocks? I'd like you to get this one set for 2:30. Can you do that? Okay, so 2:30, you can start if you want at 2 o'clock and then set it for 2:30. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So get that one set. I'm going to get my big one here set for 2:30. So my hour hand's in between the 2 and the 3 because it's not 2 o'clock, but it's not 3. And I know 30 is when my big hand's down at the 6. So I've got 2:30. And our movie is going to go until 5:30. So now I want you to set this clock. So 5, and I'm going to bring this down to the 6, 5:30. So I want to know, how long is our movie? If it starts at 2:30 and it goes until 5:30, how long? Well, let's count. So let's go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. We went all the way around once, which is 1 hour, and we're now at 3:30. So that's 1 hour. Let's go all the way again around. Do that with me. Now what time do you have? You have 4:30. So we've gone 2 hours around. Let's go all the way around again. Ready? Do it with me on your clock. We now have, sorry, you can see it a little bit better. 5:30. How many times did we go around? We went around 3 times. So that's 3 hours. So 3 hours was how long that movie was. Okay? Wow. Now, the next time that I would like you to set is for 11. Can you set your clock for 11? And you're going to use this one. Okay? So set your clock for 11. Keep going around till it's 11 o'clock. Okay? Okay? Then we're going to set this one for 3 o'clock. And I want to see how much time passes from 11 o'clock until 3 o'clock. So maybe 11 o'clock in the morning, we're just doing our read aloud, until 3 o'clock, where we're doing our handwriting, where we're almost at the end of our day. 11 to 3. So with this clock, let's go around together. Let's go all the way around. That will be 12 o'clock, and all the way around is 1 hour. Let's go all the way around again, which is 1 o'clock. That's 2 hours. Do it again with me. All the way around is 2 o'clock. That's 3 hours. Let's go all the way around again. And we finally hit our 3 o'clock. How many times did we go around? We went around 4 times. So from 11 until 3, we went around to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. 4 hours. Awesome. And we're going to do one more. We're going to set our clocks to 2:45. So if you set it at 2 o'clock, okay, press pause if you need to. Set it at 2 o'clock. And then 2:45, we'll count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. There is 2:45. Okay? So set your clock to 2:45. Okay? The other clock I would like you to set for 3:10. 5:10. 3:10. And we're going to find out how much time passes from 2:45 to 3:10. Okay, so let me get mine on here. I've got 2:45. Okay, so let's start counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15 minutes gets us to 3 o'clock. We didn't go all the way around, but yet the hour changed because whenever we get up to the 60-minute mark or the 12, the hour changes, okay? But we started here, so we've done 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We've made it to our 3:10 is 25 minutes. And you say, but the hour changed. But that's because we crossed over the 12 or the 60-minute mark. The hour changes even if we haven't gone a full circle around, because it was 2:45 and counting up we get to 3 o'clock and then 3:10. So 25 minutes later. So use your clocks to set the time and count by your 5s to get to the next time, okay? So today in your workbook, I would like you to do exercise 48, and that is 3 pages for today that I want you to put how many minutes have passed or how many hours have passed to get from one time to the next time. And you can use both clocks, set this one, and this is the end, and then keep moving this one until you get the matching time on this one, okay? So enjoy, and we will see you tomorrow.